So guys, today we're gonna make this Kit Kat like backflip. One. Oh, does that count? Does that count? Does that count?
No, dapat pa ganon.
Ah, ganyan? Three, two, one. Oh, now.
Guess what flavor is this?
Spicy?
Bro, this is cheese.
Oh my god. Beef takoyaki. Spicy pork.
I really want this, but Mama said there's no
Kake
that.
udon.
Kaki on the.
Tendon. Rice. Pintuan. How? TikTok.
I thought you ate, Mom. Girl, you do like cheese.
Eh. Nakatasa sa ano? Seaweed?
Yeah. Sarap?
Oh. No progress.
Tapos ko lang to.
Yeah. Ama. Wala pa. Woo!
Wow, amazing now.
My God, I did this quick. 2 minutes, 2 minutes and 15 seconds.
Wow, really? 15 seconds. You've been doing that for a minute.
3 minutes.
Tapos ko lang.
Let's see. Let's look at the quality.
But quality.
Now that is some okay. Now that is some good quality right there.
Yummy, yummy, bang bang.
Tasty.
Ay, ako naman.
Huh?
Oh,
Haha.
it's okay, guys. Look. Guys, ano lang.
Time to take my pills.
Oh, bibigyan ko.
No.
Kain ka. Guys, I'll show you something. Yo. Wait here. I'll show you something.
Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Oh. Oh. Okay. Oh. No, yung mga baby every time. Tira mo. One, two, ay. Hey.
Wow.
Wow.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Oh, curly yan. Ano to? Ano to pa?
The curry. Sabi.
Hindi ito. Ito nga. Sarap. We got some water and some pita and some seaweed and yara and curly fried chicken. Kaya mo na yan. Diba?